Today we will talk about the natural beauty of Switzerland that every person should see before they die. Number 8. Basel. Morning in Basel, the sun rises over the Rhine, painting the rooftops and old streets in golden light, as if the city itself is awakening from a dream. Basel is Switzerland's cultural capital, a city that stands at the heart of the nation's science, art, and finance. From the Roman Empire to the medieval ages, Basel has always been a crossroads of Europe. Its cathedrals, bridges, and libraries still echo the stories of over 2,000 years of history. The city's architecture blends medieval and Renaissance charm. Its tilted roofs, designed to shed snow and rain, give Basel's skyline a distinct character that feels both timeless and enchanting. The Rhine River is the soul of Basel. Its shimmering waters reflect the city by day and turn it into poetry by night, adding depth and beauty to every corner of this vibrant place. Why visit Basel? Because it is a city where history, culture, and nature unite, creating a masterpiece you'll never forget. Number 7. Zurich. By the lakeside of Zurich, crystal waters shimmer beneath the Alps, reflecting a city where nature and elegance meet in perfect harmony. Zurich is Switzerland's beating heart, the nation's financial hub, cultural center, and a gateway to the world. With roots stretching back over 2,000 years, Zurich began as a Roman settlement. Through the Middle Ages, it rose as a thriving trade hub, and today it stands as one of Europe's most influential cities. Zurich's houses tell stories of time: timber-framed facades, colorful shutters, and steep gabled roofs designed for alpine weather, all blending old-world charm with modern precision. By day, Zurich's streets are alive with energy trams gliding past historic buildings, open-air cafes buzzing with life, and markets filled with colors, scents, and the rhythm of daily Swiss culture. Why visit Zurich? Because here, history, beauty, and modern life unite, creating a city experience unlike anywhere else on Earth. Number 6. Geneva. On the shores of Lake Geneva, turquoise waters sparkle beneath the Alps, casting a magical glow across the city. Geneva is Switzerland's international face, a global hub of diplomacy, peace, and innovation. In the old town, cobblestone streets wind between centuries-old houses, Gothic facades, and hidden courtyards. An architectural treasure that whispers tales of medieval Switzerland. By day, Geneva unfolds in elegant boulevards lined with boutiques, gardens blooming in color, and the iconic jet d'eau fountain rising high against the bright sky. At night, the Rhine River shimmers with golden reflections, city lights dancing on the water, turning Geneva into a living painting of serenity and romance. Why visit Geneva? Because it is a city where nature, history, and global spirit unite to create an unforgettable journey. Number 5. Bern. Bern, founded in the 12th century, still breathes with the spirit of medieval Switzerland, where every stone tells a story of time. As the capital of Switzerland, Bern holds the nation's political soul, home to parliament, diplomacy, and the heart of decision-making. By day, Bern's streets glow with golden sandstone arcades, lively fountains, and the striking Ziegler clock tower. A vibrant blend of history and daily life flows through every corner. From above, the Rhine River forms a turquoise loop around the city, an emerald ribbon embracing Bern, making its aerial view nothing short of breathtaking. Each year, nearly 2 million visitors arrive, captivated by the UNESCO Old Town, iconic landmarks, and the natural beauty that makes Bern both historic and alive. Why visit Bern? Because it is a capital where nature, culture, and history unite, creating an unforgettable journey through time. Number 4. Lucerne. Lucerne shines like a jewel, nestled between snow-capped mountains and the shimmering waters of Lake Lucerne. It is Switzerland's gateway to the Alps, a city that blends natural beauty with cultural richness, drawing travelers from around the world. Lucerne's houses are picture-perfect, with painted facades, wooden balconies, and steep gabled roofs, each one a work of art that reflects the city's medieval charm. During the carnival parade, Lucerne's streets burst with music, masks, and color. Drums echo through the alleys. Confetti fills the air, and the city transforms into a grand celebration of joy and tradition. The Chapel Bridge, Lucerne's most iconic landmark, was built in the 14th century by the city's early leaders. Its wooden walkway and painted panels still tell the story of Lucerne's proud past. Why visit Lucerne? Because it is a city where alpine beauty, living traditions, and timeless history come together in breathtaking harmony. Number 3. Zermatt. As the train glides into Zermatt, snow-dusted chalets and towering peaks unfold like a living postcard of the Swiss Alps. Zermatt is Switzerland's alpine crown, renowned worldwide for skiing, mountaineering, and its breathtaking landscapes. In winter, Zermatt becomes a wonderland blanketed in pure white snow. With frozen forests, glowing chalets, and slopes alive with skiers beneath crisp mountain skies. In summer, the valley transforms into green meadows dotted with wildflowers, where crystal streams flow and hikers wander beneath the towering Alps. And then, the Matterhorn, the most iconic mountain in Switzerland. In snow, its sharp peak glistens like a diamond against the sky, a breathtaking symbol of nature's majesty. Why visit Zermatt? Because it is a place where every season paints a masterpiece, and nature reveals its most dramatic beauty. Number 2. Aletsch Glacier. The Aletsch Glacier stretches like a river of ice, glistening under the alpine sun, a frozen masterpiece of nature's grandeur. It is the largest glacier in Switzerland, UNESCO World Heritage Site, and a vital treasure of the Swiss Alps. The glacier remains cold and icy most of the year, with crisp mountain air and dramatic skies that shift from crystal blue to misty white. In summer, parts of the glacier slowly melt, feeding rivers and valleys below. But the ice remains ancient and vast, holding stories of thousands of years within its frozen layers. High above, the Sphinx Observatory stands at nearly 3,571 meters. Visitors reach it through mountain trains and tunnels, stepping into one of the highest observatories in the world. Why visit the Aletsch Glacier? Because here, you witness the power, mystery, and beauty of the Alps in their purest form. Number 1. Lauterbrunnen. Lauterbrunnen is Switzerland's most beautiful village, a hidden paradise cradled in the heart of the Alps. It is known as the Valley of 72 Waterfalls, a natural wonder that makes Switzerland's alpine heritage truly iconic. The landscape here is breathtaking. Green meadows carpeted with wildflowers, wooden chalets resting in silence, and cliffs that rise like walls of stone around the valley. Above it all, the snow-capped Alps tower in grandeur, their peaks glowing golden at sunrise and fading into soft purple hues at dusk. In the evening, the Staubach waterfall cascades gracefully from a sheer cliff, glowing in the last rays of sunlight. An enchanting sight that feels almost otherworldly. Why visit Lauterbrunnen? Because it is a place where nature's beauty turns into pure poetry, leaving memories that last a lifetime. Switzerland's breathtaking beauty is more than a journey, it's an emotion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cinematic adventures. And before you go, watch my previous video, Top 10 Most Beautiful Cities to See Before You Die. You won't want to miss it.